anything that you're doing, make sure you do it in a way where you can sleep good in your bed at night. You see, it don't make no sense to do something that you know initially that this gonna put you into trouble with yourself and give you sleepless nights. Well, you see, them said coincident. Anything can happen, which is true. But you see, premeditating to do something that you know initially is wrong, and then you go and do it, you have a repercussion to face. And let me tell you something. You see, going to your bed at night, this is where you get your rest, where all your organs supposed to be rest. Because the whole day, you work in the organs them. Your heart, your liver, your lungs, your kidney, and so on and so forth. This is the time when all of your organs supposed to be resting. But when your conscience bother you because of something that you have done, and you're going to your bed and you cannot sleep, that is not healthy. Now, many people might say, yeah, enough of them out there, we are do wrong things and I do evil, they don't have no conscience. Them have conscience. Every human being has a conscience. Let me tell you something. Many people might play tough as if they have no conscience when they do something. It's them a laugh and go along. And the best them a put outside sometimes. Then what you think, say? Some people live in an alcohol bucket and drink and smoke and high and always intoxicate themselves. And seems to be happy. No. Some of these people are not happy. Let me tell you something. When you're going to your bed at night time for sleep, just go for sleep. You see, if something aren't in your bed, you don't see what's problem, you know. Because you go to your bed for sleep and rest your organs and rest yourself. So if you're going to your bed for sleep and you can't sleep because something rests by your conscience and a body and you twist and a turn, you need help. And most of the time, only you can help yourself. To go deep within you and look into what you have done and try and make it up with yourself, or go apologize to somebody, or go confess, or forgive yourself, or pray to the Almighty, whatever way, and move on. Do good and make good for you. Right, sir. Shocking Murray said that.